y'all really ain't Yankee.
Yo, y'all already know who it is. It's your boy LKJimmy back again with day 7 with my boy AG and also Billy Bass. So we're gonna just hop in. We already got one of the samples loaded up. Give y'all some techniques, some tips and tricks. Alright, so me personally, I know a lot of people chop it up on each pad. I chop it up by groups, so I'm gonna chop up this first one. So that first chop is good. So I'm actually gonna come put that right here. Boom. Now I'm gonna come back. You can honestly delete this. Sheesh. Hey, good chop suey right there. Chopsticks with the chop sauce. Come on, bro. What? That's crazy. So I tried to find some chops out of it. I couldn't get too many chops out of it, but the main part that I wanted was that anyway. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna hit record and just get that. I'm gonna stop, hit record on this too. So now we can mess with the kind of the transpose of it. So let's plus it up 3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint in my hi-hats, these notes in. Let's see. Alright, that sounds good. Boom, come right here, hit that record button. Goodness, I'm really crazy. I'm really crazy. I'm really crazy, bro. Let's go ahead and EQ it. I'm gonna come over here to Slate Digital. Shout out to Slate Digital and Steve over there. This EQ is my favorite. Good one. I don't even gotta do it again. Alright, so boom, come right here to 5. You can go ahead and normalize that. Bring that up. Bring these over to here. We're just gonna bring this down to the same clip gain. Around the same.